Yo, this is something different. I'm gonna unbox this JBL box. Charge 5, I guess. Charge 5. It's not original. Bought it from AliExpress. Okay, it's very small. I thought it's a little bit bigger. Okay, this is the manual. Charging cable, and it's a USB Type-C. Okay, other cable. Not yet inside. So first of all, let's see what they wrote on the box. Water resist IPX6. I hope it's really powerful. 4 hours play time. That's less. I thought it's 20 hours. The one that I bought, there was a symbol here. So okay, there is a symbol. Okay, but the one that I bought, they said it's 20 hours play time, you know. It's not original because I bought it on AliExpress, you know. Okay, what's here? Okay, see the side. And on top, so this is not original. The front side. So let's test it.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay. So I'm searching. Charge 5. Connected. So this is the JBL. For me, it doesn't worth the money, you know. Even by looking at this box, you know, you will know it's totally different, you know. On the box, there is no symbol of JBL here, you know. And the box, the original box, is a little bit different from this one. The original box, it flips, you know, not opening like this, you know. This one is totally different. And on the original box, I guess there is a symbol of Bluetooth here and a symbol of JBL here, something like that, you know. And for the original one, I guess here is a symbol of Bluetooth also, you know. So and no bars at all. And that's what I needed, you know. I thought maybe there would be a little bit bars, but on this one there is no bars, you know. The production, the music production, I don't know if maybe it's good or not, but for me it's not that good, you know. When you make to the highest volume, then the sound is not good anymore, you know, distorting, you know. I bought this one a while ago, you know, from a action shop here in Austria. The brand name is Pulsar, you know. See that? Almost the same. This one is a little bit better than this JBL. This fake JBL is more expensive than this one, but I like the sound of this one better because there is a little bit of bass on this one, you know. See that? So for this one, I suggest you should not waste your money on this fake JBL, you know. I just bought it just to test how it is, you know. Yeah. So I'm out. Peace.